Hi everyone, Manu here with a new Cookie Connection challenge. Anna Oliinyk of Sunday Cookers will show us how to pipe some of her signature flowers and how to assemble the cookie flowers in a bouquet. Hi Anna, welcome.
I'm so pleased to be here.
Anna, what are you showing?
Today we are going to make some flowers from this bouquet. It will be cornflowers, and as you see, we will make it from a different stage of blooming. We have some cookie blanks over here. Okay, and the next step is icing. So my proportion about any icing mix that you use, it's like, I think this is it, and we can start now. And pull out the first, let's call it petal, I don't know. To work really comfortable, the amount of icing should fit in your fist. And I will coloring our boots. You almost don't push it, as gentle as you can. If you don't have airbrush, and then I suggest you to use some stretching technique. What does it mean? Okay, this is it. Thank you so much. It was so exciting for me, and have more flowers so we can demonstrate how it will be together.
Yes.
Don't push it on the top. No way. Just right here.
Anna, for this wonderful demo. It's nice to see the bouquet close to you.
Yeah.
So we have a feeling of the dimension. It's really nice. Everything you do, it's really nice. So thank you so much, really, for being here, for offering the prize, for being so kind and showing us everything. And the challenge
is now
open.
Yay! Thank you so much. Bye.